So if you're considering a ceramic coating for your car, you're going to want to watch this. So first of all, what is a ceramic coating? Let's start there. There's a lot of confusion in the market about what a ceramic coating is, and we hear a lot of misconceptions about what a ceramic coating does. So I wanted to paint a clear picture for you to help you understand exactly what a ceramic coating is. First of all, ceramic coating is very thin. This right here, this is a human hair. Now in comparison, a ceramic coating is only going to be 2 to 4 microns thick. So the difference between these is stark. And think about how thin of a layer a ceramic coating is going to be when you apply it to your paint. That's not going to provide you any physical impact protection. This, however, this is paint protection film. It's very strong, very durable, and it's 400 to 600 microns thick. Now to recap, a human hair 50 microns, ceramic coating 2 to 4 microns, paint protection film 400 to 600 microns. This is what you want for physical impact protection. So if you're worried about abrasions, rock chips, this is what you want PPF for. So what's a ceramic coating going to do? Why would you want a ceramic coating? Well, number one, the most important thing is for UV protection, okay? Now you could do a wax or a sealant for UV protection, but those are only going to last you a couple weeks to a month. Ceramic coatings are designed to last years. Now they actually are nanoparticles, so nanotechnology has been applied to the creation of these ceramic coatings, and they will actually get into the pores of the paint and co-bind with the paint to create a very slick, glossy surface. Now why does that matter? Well, number one, ceramic coatings being as slick as they are, I always say they're like a Teflon for your paint. So if you have a heavy rainfall that occurs, like here in Texas, where we get all kinds of pollen and dust in the air, and then the rain comes and now you've got dirt sitting on your paint, which actually tends to form water spots over time if they sit in the sun after the rain. Well, the more of that water you can shed off your paint, which is what ceramic coatings will do, the less chance you have of that happening. Two, if you do have a water spot occur, or a bird dropping hits the paint, or acid rain falls on your vehicle, you're going to have the coating take the brunt of that etching that happens from the acids, okay? So the coating is going to take the brunt, and most likely your clear coat will be saved, depending on the severity of the acid and how hot the sun is and how long you leave it on the car. So if you remove it pretty quickly, you're going to be pretty lucky that the coating is absorbed and taken that impact or that etching from the acids. If you leave it on for too long, however, remember it's only 2 microns thick, there's not a lot to get through, so a coating could potentially get through the coating and into your clear coat. But again, it does provide a protective layer for those areas. The other big benefit is your car is going to stay cleaner longer, and when you do wash your car, it's like wiping butter. It's so smooth, everything wipes right off because it has that Teflon type feel for the paint itself. So if you're looking for something that's going to make your car stay glossy, protect the original color of the paint, make it really easy to clean, and give you a very thin protective barrier against acid rain and bird droppings, coatings are a great choice. But if you're looking for physical impact protection against a rock chip or anything hitting the paint, I strongly recommend you do paint protection film as the option there. Now, many of our customers will mix the two. High impact areas like the front end, they'll put paint protection film, and then we'll put a ceramic coating all over everything to make it easy to clean, have super high gloss, and keep the paint looking original. So it's really important for you to understand what the differences are between these two items so that you can make a choice on what's best for your car and how you use your vehicle.